growing cucumbers the easy way. No digging required. Hi there, green thumbs. Welcome back to the Sustainable Green Patch, where we make gardening fun, easy, and eco-friendly. Today, we're diving into the world of no-dig gardening and showing you how to grow cucumbers the sustainable way. Stick around because I've got some awesome tips to share. Benefits of no-dig gardening. First things first, what is no-dig gardening? Simply put, it's a method where we avoid disturbing the soil structure by not digging or tilling. This means less work for us and healthier soil for our plants. Layering organic matter. Let's prepare our no-dig bed for cucumbers. Start by laying down a thick layer of cardboard to suppress weeds. Then pile on organic matter like compost. Aim for a depth of at least 6 inches. This lasagna layering method creates rich, fertile soil perfect for our cucumbers. Planting tips. Now for the fun part. Planting. Choose cucumber varieties suited for your climate. Sow the seeds about 1 inch deep and space them 12 inches apart. If you're transplanting seedlings, make sure to water them well before planting. Trellis benefits. A trellis not only saves space but also keeps the cucumbers off the ground, reducing the risk of pests and diseases. Harvesting tips with the right care. Your cucumbers will be ready to harvest in about 50-70 days. Look for firm, dark green cucumbers and pick them regularly to encourage more fruiting. There you have it. Growing cucumbers in a no-dig garden is that simple. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Sustainable Green Patch for more gardening tips, and leave a comment below with your favorite cucumber recipe. Until next time, happy gardening and remember to grow sustainably.